What's up, guys? It's Simply Rex, aka Films from Today. Tonight's agenda, we got ONB's meet/cruise. We're gonna meet at Bryant Petco parking lot. We're gonna go down to Blackstone, probably Target. That's normally the usual. Definitely gonna have a little cruise. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully a lot of people shows up. But yeah, so that'll be the plan. I do have my cruise. It's gonna be a night cruise. I did get a lot of reposts, so hopefully we get a good group going on. You know, I don't really expect a lot of people to show up. Just for everyone to have fun, bring the car community together. So that would be vlogged tomorrow too. I might put this video together for Friday and Saturday, or I might do it separate. Who knows? I'm gonna start driving and vlog as much as I can. So we're gonna get this one going. So we're on our way. I probably won't wash the car. It is 6:34. By the time I get to the wash, they're about to head out. I might probably meet them at the Petco. Who knows? Once I exit, because they're gonna roll out at 6:50. I still got about like a 20-minute drive. You know, I live on the other side of town, so it kind of sucks. All right, so we're on the freeway. All right, we're about to exit Dave & Buster's. Yeah, as you can see, my car is pretty dirty. Look at that windshield. I haven't washed it since that last car show. Got the fresh kicks. All right, so we got the host pulling up right now. Like I said, pretty dirty.
Have you ate or what?
No, not yet.
Films from Zay. We don't need that gap here.
Alright, so we're posted up at KFC. Got OMB. We're about to hit Ray's house. After that, we're gonna go to the meetup spot and see how many people pull up before we go out and cruise. So yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but added that Sabon decal. We should be meeting up with them pretty soon. You ready, fool? Alright. I hosted a cruise, so another good vlogging day. I just hold it. I'm just like this. You're just like what again?
Should I do that bumper cut?
The bumper cut?
But I won't need that light cover.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, you still could put a light.
Light on the bar.
I think you should do it. The little bar in the back. Be a drifter. Admin 370Z. Fast guy. Street Arrow sponsor? Famous.
How many people do you think would come? What?
To be honest, I mean, whoever shows up, I don't really expect a lot of people to come. If they want to cruise with us, they cruise. Hey, see, it's kind of awkward because, like, I don't know, I can't see myself doing this.
Yeah, that's okay.
But yeah. We're on our way to Ray's. We're doing a little pre-meet, just the homies. And from there, we're gonna take off to the spot and we'll see how many people, show up. I don't expect a lot of people to come through. You know, it's just something I like to do for fun. I'll just throw it out there. Whoever wants to show, they want to show up. You know, whoever wants to cruise, they cruise out with us. I'm trying to make this thing interesting. All right, guys. So we're about to hit the Loma Vista Market. We got a couple people. We got Caesar right there on the left. We got Blue Rain in front of us. Me, Ray, and OMB. Is that a GTR?
doing it for fun.
You got some nice camera.
How many miles you got?
13K.
13K?
Yeah. The Focus had like 72.
Yeah.
Turbo inline 6. Literally same engine as the Super.
Same thing, huh?
Just different high pressure fuel pump and
That's sick.
slightly different turbo. You haven't never seen it. First, I'm enjoying stock for a little bit. Like I track my shit. So
Yeah.
I track the RS hard. I push it hard. 115 degrees. A little E. Should be straight. These guys on downpipe and E30, they're like 440, 450. So it is.
Damn. Couldn't really record the cruise. It was a pretty fun cruise. It was a great turnout. A lot of cars. And I almost missed like two of them.
What?
Almost missed like two of them.
What?
Looking at, I almost missed that turn.
I thought you were trying to kill us at one point.
Oh, yeah. Hey, so how was it?
You got the key.
I dare you to go speed by that cop. Pop, pop, pop.
How was it?
Hey, I had fun. We had fun.
Look at that. Hey, we could be a little more.
It was
Yeah.
Like the little that shit was fun, but it was all.
Hey, you hella hit your tip, dude.
I know.
I saw it, dude.
His neon lights.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm in between 3 to 4, but then.
All right, so I hosted this cruise. Apparently, dude right there has blue underglow. So pretty much, he brought the cop, led us all the way over here. So yeah, that cruise was pretty fun. Now we got everyone over here.
Got you.
You said beep beep beep.
Hey, so tell us how it was. Let's see. Let's see who raced. We went to Dutch Bros to cut the video.
You can't do it because the road is so bumpy.
This bad boy, I went.
You gotta go to 40. Second gear.
2 expansion tanks last year.
Oh yeah, right there.
I let off because we went intersection. See, intersection. 100 mile per hour. Ooh.
Hey, what you doing, bro?
Hey.